So guys, I'll be showing you what to do so both of us can earn the bonus. Okay, so as it is boldly written here on this place, say when you sign up, when you register, you get 1,000 naira bonus plus other bonus again, which will amount to 1,200. So once you click the link I provided to you on WhatsApp here, it will take you to Play Store to go and download the app. So once you finish installing the app, you register. Okay, you sign up. It will bring you to this screen. You sign up, you sign up. Then when you finish signing up, then you proceed. Let me click on sign up. Sign up. They will send the verification code. You put it. You put the verification code. So once you've inputted the verification code, you see that's still telling you that you have 1,000 naira bonus waiting for you. Okay. So what you do is that you put your name, you fill out the information, fill it out, your middle name, your last name, and select your gender. The most important thing here is that you should not forget to don't forget to don't forget to put this invitation code. Okay, the invitation code. So the invitation code, this one here is the one I'll tell you. My invitation code is E capital letter E. This is my invitation code here. EGY. Okay, put it in this place. Okay, EGY. So code is EGY 4F W then 39. Okay, so this is what you will put in this place. Okay, as invitation code. So once you are done with that, then you click next. You click on this next. Okay, and finish your sign up. Fill any information they ask you, just fill it. If it's in BVN or anything, just fill it. So once you are done filling this, with that, then it will bring you to this place. The app, it will bring you to this place. Okay, so this is the interface. This PalmPay, you can see this is like a virtual bank account. Okay, you can put money, you can deposit money by clicking. This fund. So for you and I to get our bonus, what you do is that once you come to this place, once it brings you to this place after registering, what you do is to click on this place and click on this icon. Click there. So once you click there, let me click there. Once you click there now, okay, you see it. Once you click there, then you now come to this place. You verify your email. Okay, once you're done verifying your email, you verify your bank account. See now, tell me that my bank account is verified. Okay, verify your bank account. Let me click on it. Let me click on it. See everything is verified. If you didn't verify it, you and I will not have any benefit. Okay, so you need to verify it. Your BVNC is verified. Valid ID card is verified. Bank card verified. Account verified. Everything to be verified. If not, you won't get the benefit. You won't get the bonus of 1-2. Verify everything, even the email. See my email. My email has been verified. See my email here. It has been verified. Okay, the email has been verified. Verify your email. So now let me go back. You see it. So verify everything. Okay, so once you're done verifying everything, that is not all. So you need to come to this place. You need to come to this this phone wallet. Okay, if you click on the phone wallet, click on the fund. Then your account number is your phone number. Okay, in this case now, this is my phone number. But the first number, which is 0 here, was removed. 081. So your account number is your phone number, but just remove the first number, which is 0. So you deposit 100 naira. So they're asking you how you want to make a deposit. How you want to fund your PalmPay. Is it through cash deposit? Is it through cash deposit? Is it through cash deposit? If you see, they're telling that if you use cash deposit, that is you went to POS agent, and with nearby agent like a PalmPay agent, and I know that's hard to find. If you deposit, if you fund your wallet through PalmPay agent, that's saying that you have 1000 naira, which is naira 90 naira, okay? But the one that you do is that you transfer with your, you can use card, you can use your card, your bank card, okay? You can use your bank card, or you can use USSD, you get. But this cash deposit is preferable, so I'll click on the cash deposit. What you need to do is to deposit minimum of 100 naira, just 100 naira. Deposit 100 naira. Once I don't deposit the 100 naira, see, this is your, see, they're telling you, say this is your account number. This it. Say this is your account number. This it. This one here is account number. You understand? Say the bank name, PalmPay. Then this is the name, your bank name. So once you deposit 100 naira to your PalmPay account with this account number, here, the money will reflect. Okay, the money you will reflect in this place. Money, as you can see now, I withdrew all the money that I have here. See, the money will show here. Okay, the money will show in this place. The money will show in this total balance. Okay, so once the money has reflected, you now come down, you now scroll down. Okay, now scroll down to airtime. You get, scroll down to this airtime. Scroll down to this airtime like this. This is the airtime. Scroll down to this airtime. So once you scroll down to this airtime like this, once you scroll down, you click on it. Click on the airtime. Then that 100 naira that you deposited now, use it to buy. See, now I have 50 naira coupon. Like I need to buy. I have 50 naira coupon. I don't even know. I have 50 naira coupon. I don't even know. See it. I don't even know. But that's not what I'm telling you now. So what I'm telling you is that you should buy 100 naira, 100 naira charge card, so you can have the bonus. Buy this 100 naira charge card. So you click here now. Click on 100 naira. You get, click. If you click it, you see it. Then you can now use it. You can now buy a recharge card. Okay. See it. Buy a recharge card for which number? See, it's telling me that I should use this number. I don't want to use this. I don't want to recharge through this number. So what will you do? You go back, put the phone number that you want to click this side. It will show you. If you click here now, it will show you different mobile telecommunication operators. So I click there now. If it's not MTN, you click there. You select the one that you want. Is it MTN, Glo? You put the phone number here, okay? Phone number. So once you're done, once I put in phone number, then you click on. You put the select amount you want to recharge, or you comment to type, or you click on 100 naira. If 100 naira. Once you're done, then let me put the account number 400. Okay, this is account. Once you're done, select 100. So once you're done, you click buy. Simple. You click what? You click this pay that is here. You click this pay 100 naira. If you click this pay 100 naira, this button here. If you click the button here, that is all. You will have a charge card of 100 naira, and that's not only that. We have the bonus of 1-2. I also have my own bonus also. Okay. So once you are done doing all this, don't forget to send your screenshot to me on WhatsApp and send it to Naira Workers, because it's from there that will pay you 200 for Naira Workers plus 1-2 that PalmPay will give. That's everything is 1-4 bonus. Okay. So thank you. If you do everything that is here accordingly, do everything I do, carry out all the steps necessary, you have your bonus and I have my bonus also, and I also pay your 200 naira. Thank you for watching.